My loves, happy Vlogmas. I am just after saying goodbye to John. He's gone to work today and I'm so bummed. But he starts at 12, which isn't too bad, and it's just gone 11:15. So what I am doing today is a lot of work, a lot of work. I need to catch up on my vlogs. I am behind with editing. I want to film a video today as well, if I can possibly do that, like a beauty video. And I also need to kind of like just kind of do a little bit of admin work as well, and video planning and stuff like that. So it's going to be very exciting today, I hope, because I just feel like you guys are going to be really bored today with the amount of stuff that I'm going to be getting up to, which is probably very little. I think we're going ice skating tonight. I'm meeting Lisa, which should be exciting, so at least we'll have a little bit of fun. But that won't be till later on. And I was going to do the Christmas tree yesterday, but I'm going to leave that till, I think, till tomorrow, because it's just mayhem. Like, there's just so much stuff going on and work and, you know, everything. I just want to make sure that I actually have time to dedicate to sit down and actually filming putting up the Christmas tree. So that makes sense. Anyway, but I'm gonna go now and edit, and I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Okay, I'm done filming. You know what, working online and talking to yourself just makes you hate your voice so much. I feel like all I have done is heard my voice for the last hour and a half. And the lighting's starting to get really nice now, and I'm done filming because it's been raining all day and now it's just clearing up. It's super annoying, but I'm so happy that I filmed 3 videos for you guys today. I filmed a beauty video, a pennies video, and then I also filmed like kind of like an update of what's going on my channel, which you would have already seen. And I'm just so excited about Vlogmas and this month and everything. I'm gonna go into the sitting room because I feel like the fire may have gone out. So weird, look how dark it is in here. Super dark. Because I was in the other room obviously, and I need to bring over my lighting. Oh no, my fires are going, it's a-blazing. I need to bring over my lighting as well. I was just watching Friends. I absolutely love Friends. Like, I've loved it since I was like a little kid, and now I'm just kind of like watching it all again. It's just all so fun. Anyway, I am gonna go and edit now. I feel like today's vlog is gonna be a bit blah, a bit short. I don't know, because it's just not very exciting today. There's an awful, like, I'm doing so much work today, so I will see what way the vlog works out at the end of the day. Hopefully I'll have enough content for it. I'm just not going to like try and make myself be interesting, because I'm clearly not. John made me actually a beautiful omelette this morning. I'm just gonna get down here, sit on the ground. John made me the most amazing omelette this morning. It was so nice. I couldn't figure out how to work the grill. The two of us are like, how does this grill work? Because usually the top of the omelette you'd put under the grill. That's how he makes omelettes, so different to how I make them. And it was super amazing, like absolutely just gorgeous, mouth-watering, fab. And I needed to go and do a little bit of a shop as well. I need to pick up so much stuff for like food shopping, because we just ran through so much food this week. I don't know how we did it, and I feel like we were eating out a lot this week as well, so I don't know how we've run through that much food. Like, there is nothing left from last week. I feel like I live in Aldi. Like, Aldi should actually like make me a little like room in there to live, because I'm just constantly in there. So I think that's pretty much all I'm up to today. I have so much work to do and I need to get stuck into it now, guys. So I will catch up with you later. I just feel like I am so boring today. I really am very boring today, and I'm so happy with the amount of work that I got done, and I can't wait to go ice skating later on and go ice skating with Lisa. I'm so excited, and the boys. It's just gonna be so much fun. I just hope I don't injure myself in any way. Okay, so it's gotten pretty late. So I'm gonna pull down the blinds here. The day is almost done and it's quite wet outside. I'm really not loving the actual rain that we're having. It's just, it sucks. So Lisa and I have decided that we'd be better off like going ice skating maybe on Wednesday night or something when it's not so crap. Like even though we're in like a tent and stuff, it's just miserable out and I just really don't feel like going ice skating in the disgusting rain. So instead I'm gonna go and do some shopping and get some stuff for tonight, like for dinner and stuff, and I'm gonna put like a nice, I think I might do stir fry, something really simple and easy, and I think that's the plan for now. I also just put up the video about explaining to you guys about what way this channel's going and the direction and stuff, and you guys' comments, I can't bear to read them. They're totes emotion. I know, like, you guys are just so sweet and I'm actually getting so emotional reading all your comments. I always do because you guys are the sweetest. I don't know how I got so lucky. I really did. I'm so lucky in life, continuing to be lucky with the subscribers that I have, and just life is great at the moment. And I hope life is good for you, and if it's not good for you, I hope that there is some amazing things coming up in your life, because I think the smallest thing in life that I want is just happiness. The main thing in life, the only thing in life I want is happiness, and I hope you guys are happy too and have some sort of contentment going on in your life. And I love reading that you guys are going to continue to, like, you know, chat to each other in the comment section, and that's just making my whole day. It really is. Like, I'm actually super happy. Could I say happy any more times? I'm just really ecstatic to read those things. So this is where we're at now. I'm gonna go get some food, and like I said, I'm gonna make stir fry. Nothing very exciting for dinner, but you can watch me chop veg if you want. I'm also noticing, how weird is this? I've washed my hands a few times, obviously. The liquid lipsticks are on the back of my hand, but the ones that you can see the most are the Huda Beauty ones. So I think that kind of goes to show you that the Huda Beauty ones do last a bit longer, but the Pennies ones are still lasting quite long. And the Pennies one is still on this side of my mouth, which is still there. And then the Huda Beauty one obviously hasn't faded either. And then the eye makeup, my eyelash is coming off, but the eye makeup is still pretty much intact as well. And some of you guys are in the comments saying that you really liked the eye look that I came up with, and I just thought that this was a sloppy hot mess, but you guys are loving it, so I'm excited to upload that video, like, of the Huda versus Pennies for you to watch, because it might be of interest. Right, so now I'm gonna go and get dressed. I just put my dressing gown back on because it was getting, like, I'm not cold or anything, but I just wanted to put it on. So now I'm going to throw on a hoodie or something. Maybe I'll wear my new hoodie that I got in Pennies. Yay, I'll wear that, and then we will go to Aldi. No, we'll go to Lidl. Lidl's closest. So we'll go there and we'll pick up some bits and bobs for dinner, and I'll go feed my boy. I'm really excited for dinner because I'm so hungry. It's gonna be just epic. Epic. So I'm just home, guys, from Lidl. I only did like a little shop in Lidl, and I just picked up kind of stuff that we're running out of midweek. Which I'll show you now. It's not very exciting. I know you probably are sick to death of seeing what I'm buying in Lidl and Aldi, but sometimes it might help, and this is like an in-between, like in the middle of the week kind of shop. Like, it's something that I would normally pick up like when we're running low of supplies, like milk, etc. So yeah, this is all I got. Not too much. I picked up these. I've had them before and they're amazing. They're these rice crackers. And they're pretty, like, this one's obviously high in salt. I talked about them before, but they're not too, but like these only have 4% salt. They're not too bad for you, like for like a quick little snack. So I usually have like 5 at a time maybe, and you might put cheese in them. I sometimes don't put anything on them, but I got the lightly salted ones. I've never had them, but the sweet chili are bomb.com. I picked up this soup. I've never had this one before. It's chicken and vegetable. And I just thought it might be great just if, you know, we want something. Like, I usually eat soup in the middle of the day for lunch. A lot of people ask about my lunch. It's generally like soup and a wrap most of the time. Some bread. This was 30% off, which I don't know why. I presume it's going out of date soon. What date is even on it? Yeah, 32 cents. Like, can you go wrong? 32 cents for some bread. This is granola that we have in the mornings. I usually sprinkle it on top of any sort of breakfast that I'm having, porridge, Weetabix, whatever it may be. I had to get some tomato ketchup. We never had tomato ketchup here, so I never ever managed to get it before. And John was actually remarking on that. He was like, we've no ketchup. And I was like, oh yeah. Milk. I'm running low of that. I got some avocados. We had these during the week last week and they lasted so long. They were great. Like they lasted throughout the week, so it kind of saves like opening a big massive avocado and then you have to eat the whole thing or put half away and then you forget about it. Whereas I find these little avocados are great, especially for sharing. These are John's cereal bars. He brings them to work with them, so they've nothing to do with me, and and he likes these breakfast biscuits as well, so I get them from him too. We'd no black pepper, and we realised that this morning when we were making our lasagna, I was going to say, our omelette, and we'd no black pepper to put in it, so I picked up some black pepper for us. Some more spinach, because again, the spinach this morning, the bits of it weren't great, so I picked up a new bag. And somebody had told me something about Aldi, which I'll tell you in a minute, because I picked up the spinach from Aldi last Monday and it wasn't great. So then I got some French style salami. I usually get the Italian style. What's the difference between the French and Italian style salami? I don't know. But then I needed some cheese, some ham. I got some cherry tomatoes and then Doritos because it's coming up to Christmas and I love some Doritos. Some evenings like just sit in with Doritos and dip. Nom, absolutely the height of unhealthiness, but it tastes good and come on, like Christmas is coming. So the thing I want to say about Aldi, which I didn't actually realise, is that they get their brand new orders in, or the new order of fruit and veg and stuff, on a Tuesday. One of my subscribers told me if you want to have your food lasting the longest, then get it on a Tuesday, like as in your fruit and veg and stuff. So there you go, fun tip. Also, I don't think I'm ever going to buy apples ever again. Is that really dramatic of me to say? Probably not. I just found an apple in the fruit bowl. This apple right here, it's from the Pink Lady range. I love these apples, they're amazing, but this apple has definitely been in the fruit bowl, at the bottom of the fruit bowl, for I'd say about 6 weeks. And look at it, like it's just got one little dent in it and another dent over here. Like 6 weeks for an apple to last, that's not good. That is not good. I dread to think what pesticides are in that apple, and I'm just leaving it back in the fruit bowl to see how long it takes before it actually goes off, because it's been in there, like I said, easily for 6 weeks, because I haven't eaten apples in ages. I usually go for berries and bananas. Life. It just kind of alarmed me. I was like, what sort of pesticides are they using that apple is able to last that length of time? So I think if I am ever going to eat apples again, I'm just going to get the organic apples down in our local fruit and veg store, because I'm not buying any more apples. Like bananas go off and berries go off, they all go off, and I realize there is pesticides and stuff in it, but like apples to last that long, there's something amiss. And I know the acidity level of it and everything, but lemons go off quicker than that apple. I've had lemons that have gone off so super quick. I'm just finished making dinner. I'm gonna dish it out. I've made like so much dinner tonight. I could feed a nation with the amount of food that I'm after making, but John's like super hungry lately because he's like swimming so much and running and stuff and doing like loads of exercise and stuff. So he's needing massive portions. So I have my normal portion and then he has the rest. So he eats it between now and then like his lunch tomorrow as well. So that's why it looks like there's so much food. There is so much food. I don't know where he puts it. I really don't know how he does it, but he eats like a horse. I've never seen anything like it in my life. Yeah, so he is, I would just have to hear the door close. So he's on his way up now. So we're gonna have dinner. I put garlic bread on, nom. And I'm gonna catch up with you in a little bit. Okay guys, it's bedtime. I'm hitting the hay. We're just getting ready for bed. And I wanna thank you all for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. And I'll talk to all you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Love you.